In this 5 days workshop, you will learn from the professionals and guided by facilitators to develop your proposal through our 3-step methodology, developing an original vision, applying the planning concepts to translate intangible ideas into 2D master plans, and utilizing the urban design tools to create more detailed proposal.
By enabling the students who participate to actually take in the process of developing a piece of land and how they can use the piece of land will allow them to empathize with what the planners are doing.
I think one very big challenge that definitely all of us face, even within these 5 days, would be the time. Because I think coming up with a plan and rationalizing it, seeing whether is it really very suitable and is it the best plan that we can come up with in a short span of 5 days is definitely going to be challenging. But I think that this challenge also gives us opportunity to push ourselves further and see how can we work effectively as a team and split up the work properly so that we can get as many things done efficiently as well.
I think it's important for students to give them this skill set of think big, think small. For example, an urban planner, they not only look at the big picture, but they also look at the human scale, how people experience certain urban space. So we consider urban design, not just urban planning.
The students have the opportunity to use Mid-Journey to help ideate for them. We have to toe the very thin line between using AI to generate ideas versus to support any ideas that we have.
I think one key learning point would definitely be the different nuances that urban planners have to consider when creating new spaces for people. Especially due to the land scarcity in Singapore, it's really important that these urban planners take into account all the different opinions, the needs, the wants of other people so that they can create a site that's used for everyone.
Cube itself aligns with the education aspects in terms of bringing the students be aware of exactly what is the urban and built environment, as well as allowing the students to test possibilities and also to provide design strategies.
The format that they were having it in, where they could brainstorm their ideas but also understand the real context on ground, and also interact with the stakeholders, whether it was JDC or URA or the actual professionals, gave them a chance to bring some of their dreams into reality.
Thanks for all the new ideas that you all have given us to mull over, and don't be surprised if any of the ideas shown today appears in the future plans.
We learned a lot from you all as well, not just from planning angle, but also the design techniques, the experimentation with generative AI and so on.
The level of work that I saw for you guys is very high caliber.
Ultimately, I hope you all can remember one thing, and that is not to forget the ability to dream.
Each of y'all, I hope, has come to a greater appreciation of the subject matter at hand, which is urban planning, land use planning, architecture, design.
I have a kid myself, and I can only say that if she grows up to be like any of you, I'll be so proud of her, because I'm really very proud of this batch.
Cube is memorable,
amazing,
enlightening,
enriching, stimulating.
Wow.
Cube is inspiring.
Yeah.